Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while examining the Smooth Love Potion cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Smooth Love Potion. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Smooth Love Potion value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will SLP succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Smooth Love Potion value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP price prediction for the next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Smooth Love Potion price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September -9.02%, $0.0038. 2022 October -31.13%, $0.0029. 2022 November -20.75%, $0.0033. 2022 December -14.79%, $0.0036. 2023 Jan -10.89%, $0.0037. 2023 February +1.99%, $0.0043. 2023 Mar +7.25%, $0.0045. 2023 April +13.01%, $0.0047. 2023 May +16.09%, $0.0049. 2023 June +24.73%, $0.0052. 2023 July +33.92%, $0.0056. 2023 August +44.00%, $0.0060. SLP price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0.0107 in 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0.0092. Smooth Love Potion price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Potion will be worth in 2030? Our estimating Model C Smooth Love Potion coming to $0.0266 in 2030. What Smooth Love Potion will be worth in 2040. Our determining Model C Smooth Love Potion coming to $0.0533 in 2040. Will Smooth Love Potion supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Potion won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will Smooth Love Potion reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Potion can reach 10 cents yet just in the separated future, after 2030. Could Smooth Love Potion reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Potion to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Will Smooth Love Potion reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Potion to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Will Smooth Love Potion reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Potion to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Smooth Love Potion worth purchasing? We are backers of decently dangerous money management. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Smooth Love Potion merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Potion a wise speculation? Smooth Love Potion is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Love Potion be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0026. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0266 or significantly higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Potion succeed and get more expensive? Smooth Love Potion has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Potion ascending to $0.0266 in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Potion fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing technique, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish